Hello guys! As we explore the enchanting wonders of TeamLab SuperNature Macao, our journey begins with a seamless booking experience through Agoda. Before immersing, we took a moment to watch the orientation. Along with my labs and her family, we enjoyed our time together. But first, explore the Valley of Flowers and People. Here, a seasonal year of flowers blossoms according to the changing seasons. And guys, take note that TeamLab has no map. Thus, it is up to you to discover which path to take and be surprised with every rooms you like to enter. Next, we entered the Infinite Crystal Universe. Here, light points are used to create three-dimensional objects. This artwork is forever evolving, changing from moment to moment due to the people in the space. Wow! What a loving and beautiful world it is. Here, when people stand near the characters, the world that the characters embody will appear, influencing one another to create a single world. This is continuous life and death at the crossover of eternity. When people touch the flowers, their petals scatter, but if people hold their hands still against the work, more flowers will be born than usual. Have you noticed the balloons? It is because of the sphere's free-floating light that when people move through and strikes them while the wind blows. Throughout the room, it changes or resonates new colors. Lovely. Wow! Feel like a kid. Hopscotch for geniuses. Bounce on the water. This is a game of hopscotch where you hop on the circles, triangles, and squares in the water. When you land on the same shape several times in a row, a fish, butterfly, or bird is born. If you jump on many at the same shapes in a row, even more animals will appear. Proliferating immense life. The flowers repeat the cycle of life and death in continually changing with the flow of time. When people touch them, the flowers' petals scatter and fall away. The space of the artwork is created with TeamLab refers to as ultra-subjective space, in the contrast to the spaces that are created through, or in other words, cut out by lenses and perspective. Inverted globe graffiti nature. The creature you draw will multiply if they eat other living things, but they will die and disappear if they do not eat enough or if they are eaten by other creatures. Sliding through the fruit field. This is a slide where the fruit grows. You become the sunlight and slide down the slope. When your body collides with the balls, your sunlight energy will transfer to them and they will go flying off in all directions. Another fascinating area is multi-jumping universe. When you stand on a multi-jumping, the surface beneath your feet sinks, create warps in space and time. This distortion attracts stardust from the universe and births new stars. If you continue to jump on stars, the stars will grow. Another fun activities for the kids is the sketch ocean. All various fish drawn by everyone swim around in this ocean. A paper is provided for everyone to color and be amazed by the picture of your colored come to life, swimming out into the ocean in front of you together with the fish drawn by other people. If you touch the fish, they will swim away. You can also feed the fish by touching the food bags. Lastly, we entered a room of light sculptures, wherein the light effects change from time to time. It represents geometry, wormhole, more, crystalline, sphere, nebula, polygon wave, composition, solid geometry, film crystal, cube, organic light, and Vortex. There are more rooms to enter. Some are with extra charges. This was our last stop prior departing from the airport. Our eyes and heart were satisfied with the awe-inspiring experience. Bye guys! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow our page.